Today we're going to replace the battery in my laptop. Hope you enjoy. This is my laptop. The Dell XPS 15, 9550 I believe. Came out in 2016? Recently my friend was asking me if I loved this laptop, and I had to say yes, I do. Except that every now and then the trackpad stops working. I think because the battery starts bulging. Not a good sign, but something I've learned to live with. And then, no kidding, 1 week later I get an email from Dell telling me that people have been reporting bulging batteries in these laptops and I might be eligible for a recall. I told them I'd do it myself so I wouldn't have to send my laptop off to be MIA for a week, and they sent the battery to me. Took a little while, but just a few days ago my new battery arrived in the mail. Now the first thing I realized when I attempted to replace the battery on my laptop was that I didn't have the tools I needed to open the laptop up. On the bottom they have the Torx head screws. If you're not familiar, those are the screws that have a star pattern and require a star driver. I have a few Torx head screwdrivers, but these were pretty small. And after bumming around the hardware store for a little bit, I found that these are T5 sized. It's pretty itty bitty. I can't even imagine what I would compare that size to. It's just really small. There looks to be about 10 screws on the bottom here, so let's get started opening it up. Okay, let's see if I can open it. Feels so scary. I don't want to break anything. Two more. There's still this really uncomfortable feeling that this bottom panel is not giving way. Maybe I should have looked up some instructions on how to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, we're back. The instructions on the internet said that I was pretty much doing what I was supposed to do. I got rid of 12 screws, including the 2 under the bottom plate, and then I just lift. And one of the instructions said it would come away easily. The other one said, that you pretty much get one side to snap off. Doesn't look like it broke anything. And then the other side just kind of comes away. Yeah. Anyway, there we go. So the next order of business is to remove this battery and replace it with this one. So that is 7 screws removed. The battery kind of lifts out. It's still connected by this cable, but it looks like I can fairly easily pull it out. Little wiggle wiggle. There we go. Old battery. Looks like I still have all my screws, so nothing blew away. This just goes right where the old one was. Okay, now that I've got a couple of the screws in, the battery's not going to fall out, I'm actually going to flip it over and see if the laptop powers up. Okay, with the battery plugged in, there is a light on, which tells me the battery's charging, I think. Let's see what happens when I hit the power button. Comes on, something's happening. There it is, it's worked. It's working. Let's pull out the power plug and see what happens. Maybe the battery has just enough charge to keep it alive for a second. Boom. It did. It did, you saw it. Let's do it again. I'm gonna unplug it, then plug it back in real quick. Okay, here we go. Wha-bam! Battery works. Awesome. So now I'm gonna shut this thing down and then finish screwing in the battery and replacing the back of the laptop. There we go. Laptop back in prime condition. Oh, that trackpad feels so clicky. It's like it's brand new. Let's plug this bad boy in. Charging. Powering on. Still works. Well, bam. Perfect. So, there we go. New battery in my laptop. Gonna love it. Gonna love clicking that trackpad like this ain't nobody's business. And hopefully that wasn't too complicated. If you have any questions, any feedback on what I did, feel free to leave me a comment. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Before I get going too much further and cleaning all this stuff up, I want to stop and give a thank you to Dell for doing the right thing for their customers and giving us these replacement batteries so that we can enjoy our product to the fullest. Dell didn't do anything special for me. They didn't know that I was going to make this video. They just saw a problem and did the right thing to fix it. So thank you, Dell. Today I'm going to replace the laptop. Today I'm going to replace the battery in my laptop, and you're gonna be with me, and you're gonna watch. We're gonna replace the battery in my laptop. Today we're gonna replace the battery in my laptop. You're not really expected to do this over the life of your laptop. Maybe we should. It didn't take as long as I thought. Actually, it took about as long as I thought.